In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel an invoice on PayPal. If you need to remove an invoice that you no longer want to keep active, the process is very simple and only takes a moment once you know where to look. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along at your own pace. To begin, sign into your PayPal account and make sure you're on the main account dashboard. Once you're there, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the gear icon. This will take you into your account settings and business tools area, where you can access invoice-related options. After opening that section, find and select Seller Tools. This is where PayPal groups together several features designed for selling, payments, and invoicing. Inside Seller Tools, click on Invoices. That will open the area where your existing invoices are stored, including drafts, sent invoices, and other invoice records depending on your account activity. Now take a moment to locate the specific invoice you want to cancel. It's a good idea to double-check that you've selected the correct one before making any changes, especially if you have several invoices that look similar. Once you've found the right invoice, click to select it. With the invoice open or highlighted, move to the top right area of the page and click More Actions. This menu contains extra options for managing the invoice. From that drop-down, choose Delete. This is the option used here to cancel and remove the invoice from your list. After you click Delete, PayPal will process that action, and the invoice will no longer remain as an active item. At that point, you're done. One quick tip: before deleting any invoice, make sure you won't need it for your records later. If there's any chance you may need the information, it can be helpful to review it first before removing it. Also, PayPal's layout can change slightly over time, so if a button looks a little different, the wording and placement should still be very similar. That's all there is to it. Once you go to the gear icon, open Seller Tools, head into Invoices, choose the invoice and use More Actions followed by Delete, you've successfully cancelled the invoice on PayPal. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you complete the process quickly and easily.